Hi, fourth graders, and welcome to day 2 of subtracting mixed numbers. So yesterday, sorry, I'm on the wrong page for a second. So yesterday we added mixed numbers. Today we're subtracting. So we're basically going to be doing the opposite of what we did yesterday, okay? Or not yesterday, sorry, Monday. So jumping on in, we're going to do pages 451 and 452 together, and then on your own, you're going to be doing page 454, okay? So page 451 says, Ursula picks carrots and radishes from her garden. She picks 4 1/4 pounds of carrots and 1 3/4 pounds of radishes. How many more pounds of carrots does she pick than radishes? So this right here is definitely showing us that we are subtracting. But for this one, I think it's best to draw a picture and then just go from there, okay? But for this one, I'm actually going to draw a bar this way. So the pink is going to be carrots. And then I'll go in with the maroon to cross off. What she picked for radishes, sorry. So pink is carrots, and then we're going to subtract what she picked for radishes, okay? Because the question is asking us how many more pounds of carrots she picked than radishes. So we're going to start by shading in for carrots. So she had 4 and 1/4, so 1 out of that last one for carrots. Now, for radishes, she picked 1 3/4, so I'm going to cross off 1 whole one, right? Because 4 pieces, so 1 whole, and then I'm going to go and cross off 3/4. So I'm going to take away this one, and then 2 more from this one. So then this is how many radishes she picked. So that means this leftover is how many more carrots she picked in comparison to radishes. So that means she picked 1, 2, and 2 out of the 4 more pounds of carrots. Than radishes. Now, just to show the simple subtraction way, I'm just going to draw it down here. She could have also done 4 and 1/4, take away 1 3/4. But then it gets a little tricky here, as you can see, because we're doing 1, take away 4. So this is one of those instances where it actually doesn't help you to do this, okay? So I actually did a little fib there. We're not going to do that one. But you also could have done the number line. So if we're feeling confident with this, make sure you have this written, and then we're going to go over on the back how the number line could have helped us here as well, okay? So just make sure you have this written. I'll take a second for you to write it. And then let's just go over the number line method, okay? So they also gave us it this way. So this picture shows 4 and 1/4 carrots. This picture shows 4 and 1/4 pounds of carrots minus the 1 3/4 pounds of radishes. So just what we did, instead of doing it this way, they did it into groups of 4 in the boxes. But this is what I really wanted to focus on. So you can use a number line to help subtract mixed numbers. So here they started at the 4 and 1/4, and then they went and took away 1 whole, right? So they stopped here. But then the number of radishes, the pounds, was 1 3/4. So then they took away 1 2 3/4, and then stopped here, and they were able to get the same answer, okay? So again, with mixed numbers, it does get a little tricky, and they also like to skip this jumping part. So they did jump the 3/4 back. But again, just remember that we're not going 0 to 1 anymore. Now, for this one, we're actually 0 to 5. Just because we did go over the 4 for 4 and 1/4, okay? So friends, like I said, I'm always in the meet to help. I'll be happy to work through this problem with anyone who is still confused. And other than that, you're going to do page 454 on your own. And if you finish early and you haven't finished the blue eye ready for Monday, that would be great. And other than that, we have Kid Win today. So get excited, get our work done. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.